Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite recipe is crab meat linguine pasta. This recipe is simple, easy to make, and it tastes so good. Let's take a look what ingredients you need. Here are the ingredients you need. Crab meat, I'm using this part of big lump because it doesn't have feathering bone in the middle to annoying you when you're eating, so it gives you fully enjoy every bite. Fun fact, in one crab has only 2 of these big lumps. Mascarpone cheese, fish stock, salt, pepper, cherry tomato, olive oil, brandy, linguine pasta, fresh garlic crushed, red chili chopped, and parsley. That's it. First thing, we're gonna cook some pasta. I'm using linguine today, so using the whole bag. Add some salt. While we're waiting for our pasta to be cooked, we're gonna make the pasta sauce. Add olive oil. Garlic. I have some friends coming over. They can't eat chili, so I'm gonna put chili separate on my plate later when it's done. But if you can eat spicy, then you can put chili with the garlic at the same time. Medium to low heat. You don't want to burn the garlic first. Now add some brandy. Cherry tomato. Some fish stock. Our pasta nearly cooked. I just like it a little bit soft. Cook a little bit longer. Then we're gonna add crab meat. Stir gently. You want to keep the meat nice and chunky and let it simmer for a couple minutes. Add some pepper. Salt. Some salt. Let's see if the pasta is cooked. Let's try. Add some more salt. Lastly, add the mascarpone cheese. Now I'm gonna take pasta into the saucepan. And mix them through the sauce gently. Now let's try. Add some more salt. And pepper until you find your perfect taste. That's done. Turn off the heat. And sprinkle some parsley. And here you have it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!